Hey, so today we're going to be looking at our new consonant, our consonant number two, the letter V. Let's take a look at the uppercase V,
V,
and that makes the sound V. And let's also look at our lowercase v,
V,
V, V. Okay, great. Now let's go ahead and look at some words that start with the letter V. All right, our first one is vent. Vent. Our air conditioning and our heat blow out of a vent.
vent,
Vent.
vent,
Hear that V sound, vent. Okay, our next word is vine.
vine,
Vine.
vine,
Vine. The vine is growing alongside the building. It's a plant, a vine. Okay, next word. We have violet.
violet,
Violet.
violet,
Violet. The color violet. Oh, and our next word is viper.
viper,
Viper.
viper,
Viper. That's a type of snake. All right, so we've reviewed these words that start with the letter V, and if you want to take a few minutes, try and see if you can find a few words around your house that start with the letter V, and I will see you at the next recording where we will match these words on our word mat.